Hey, hi guys. Hope you're doing fine. And today we will be learning advanced filter. Have you ever heard about this? What the advanced filter is all about? If you know, guys, trust me, this video is for you because there's some hack. For that, you have to, spend your 5 minutes, I think, and be with me till end because we will be learning what is the advanced filter. If you have used filter, then you will surely learn advanced filter. But if you don't know filters, then you will learn some magical tips how to use advanced filter to extract the data, save your time and efficient in your day-to-day task. And one more thing we will be learning at the end, there's a one hack in the advanced filter. If you have ever used it, trust me guys, this will be a magical thing for you to learn for today. And at the end of the video you have to share your feedback how the video is all about. And if you have any query related to advanced filter, just comment it out. And if you like this video, please gentle request to share this video to all. Hope you are safe. Be with me. Let's start guys. Thank you.
New to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.
Filter. You must have used the filters like you select the data, press shortcut that is shift control and L, and you can just filter out with the numbers of the criteria greater than or less than, or you can select the zone which you wanted to select and do your analysis. This is something beyond that. What is the advanced filter? Based on certain criteria you can extract that particular data. Like suppose here if I wanted to extract accounts, like I have a sales manager who have done accounts more than 150. First I have to filter that and I have to extract that data, so I don't use that trick. So let me just tell you, you should have a data and you should have to find certain criteria. Like here we have in example one zone, that is north and south. Let me just select my data. You cannot select and you can just go to data. What you need to filter it out? Data. And go to data tab, and in that you have advanced tab under sort and filter option. Click on that, the dialog box will appear, and it's the easiest way. It by default selecting my data. Make sure it should select the data which you wanted to extract. So it's by default selected. Now the criteria is range. My criteria will be zone, north and south. Make sure your header should match with your the data and your criteria, otherwise it might give you the error. Click on the copy to another location. Why I'm doing it, you will come to know in next few seconds. Click here and suppose I wanted to extract that data here in G8 in the same sheet. Once you click that, you can see, let me just auto adjust it. Now you can just see the data table is the same, but it's just giving you data of north and south zone, because you have defined here the north and south zone. So what is that advanced filter here? So you have got extracted the tables with the matching your zone criteria. You can just cross verify if anything is not command. You can just check, because it should not ideally give unless and until you have done something or misspelled something incorrectly. So this is for the example one. Moving to example two, like I have done, I have mentioned the criteria. Date should be greater than 15th August 2020 and the account done should be date is actually less than, but account is actually greater than 150. So this is my criteria. Again, I am already in data tab. I'll go to advanced tab. The data is by default get selected and the criteria is also by default selected. Excel is very smart to understand your next step. So make sure the data should select properly, and otherwise it might give you the error. Again, the copy to I'll just put here because I wanted to extract that the table should be here. Once you click OK, just check your two criteria. First, the date should be less than 15th August, that's a matching, and the account should be greater than 150. So you can suppose I'm not sure whether it's correct or not. First I'll just filter it out. Let me just switch manually for your easy understanding. It's less than 15th August, so 15 should not fall. First criteria is this, and second is less than greater than 150. So ideally you should get these 5 tables, that is E, F, E, and P. So you have that, you have got that. Oh my god, you are awesome. So this is for the advanced filter. Example 3 is basically homework for you guys. We have just 3 criteria. Do it, extract the data. If you get any problem, let's connect it. And the last hack we have here for the advanced filter. Now suppose I am the head of sales department of that particular company, whatever the company is, and I have a data, but I don't want majority of the data. I just want the serial number, that is employee ID of that person, and the sales manager name, and how many accounts they did. So I don't know, but let's understand the people who have just hit the account less than 100. I need to meet with them, what the challenges they are facing. So for that I'll just require serial number, sales manager, and accountant, not others column. Like date is not required for me to review with them, and obviously zone is not matter for me. That's the example, guys. So let me just go to advanced tab, and by default it selected your the data table, and the accountant is obviously is by default selected. And the last one, it's the hack for this video. Now you have to select this particular header because you just need 3 columns. Let's see what is happening. Click OK. You have got the detail, guys. We just have 3 employees who have done sales manager, you can say, less than sales, or accountant for the 100. So we just got only required column. This is a hack in advanced filter. I hope you must you got this particular thing. So guys, just check how you gonna it help in your data. It is very important for you guys. So guys, thank you very much. Have a great day.